If you're interested in a job in advanced manufacturing, then we have the answer for you. Southern Virginia Center for Higher Education has a great program in place to teach people advanced manufacturing skills that can be used to obtain jobs in a variety of different fields. Dr. Betty Adams gives us insight into this exciting field.
We are one of a handful of higher ed centers in the Commonwealth, and we've all come together really to address an educational access gap that is not being filled by our traditional state-supported colleges and universities. And as everybody knows, access to education is very important in our rural economies. So our latest project, which we're very excited about, and is probably the most ambitious project that we've ever undertaken in 29 years, is the SoVA Center of Manufacturing Excellence. And this is a project that's being supported by the Virginia Tobacco Commission and the Commonwealth Center of Advanced Manufacturing, and we're working with our partners, Danville Community College, Southside Virginia Community College, the Virginia Manufacturers Association, Virginia Technical Institute, and a whole host of other partners to provide advanced level training that's not being done anywhere else in the Commonwealth in an 11-county region.
That's impressive. So why focus on advanced manufacturing careers?
Well, advanced manufacturing is apparently where it is right now. And we've heard a lot about the new Virginia economy that our governor and his cabinet is talking about. And recently I had the privilege of hearing our Secretary of Commerce and Trade, Maurice Jones, talk about what needs to happen in order for us to diversify our economy. And one of the tenets is we've got to focus on the right sectors. And at the top of the list is advanced manufacturing.
And what are some careers options in advanced manufacturing?
Well, we will be focusing on three high-demand careers in advanced manufacturing through the SoVA Center of Manufacturing Excellence. That's welding, precision machining, and industrial maintenance mechanic or mechatronics.
Gotcha. And what are some benefits to a career in advanced manufacturing?
Well, advanced manufacturing is not the manufacturing that we recall from our parents and perhaps our grandparents' time. Advanced manufacturing is a completely different environment. It's very clean. They're using really high-tech equipment. You get to make things, so at the end of the day, you get to participate in making things. And it's also jobs that are in demand now and in the future. And the training that gets you the ticket to get on the advanced manufacturing train does not take as long as a traditional degree. And it's less expensive.
Which is great, because a lot of people graduate with huge student loan debts and then just struggle to get a job in their field upon graduating.
Yeah, and we're really seeing a market correction in higher education, and it gets to the supply-demand situation. We've really over-focused in higher ed on the college four-year degree. Everybody needs, that's the gold standard, a degree. And what has happened is we now have an oversupply of degrees, not enough jobs for those degree holders, and big student loans. So, but there is a demand in the technical skills. We've got a gap because we've not addressed that training. And this training does not require 4 years or even in some cases 2 years. So, and it's all hands-on. We have some of the finest instructors. These are practitioners, people who have worked in the industry, and you will be using industry standard equipment. We will have spent millions of dollars to equip our labs across these 11 counties to provide the latest and greatest.
And it's always great to be able to learn a skill too, because that's something you can pass on to somebody else.
Absolutely, absolutely. And these credentials, and we're seeing the rise of the post-secondary credential, which again requires less than, sometimes less than a year, and you get an industry-approved credential, and these credentials are stackable, so they build on themselves. So that's good for our student population, many of whom who don't have a lot of experience in higher education, and they don't have a lot of self-confidence. So they can come in, start out, get that first credential, build their self-confidence, and then go to the next. And that builds their career, they make more money, and that's their ticket to the middle class.
And if you're interested in a career in advanced manufacturing, Southern Virginia Higher Education Center is located on Bruce Street in South Boston. For more information, you can call 434-572-5440. You can go online to SoVACME.org, or you can also check out dreamitdoitvirginia.org.